Stop playing the observer. Start being the architect. Quit standing on the perimeter while others extract massive capital from your focus. The blockchain movement isn't a spectator event. It's a digital gold rush, and it's high time you claimed your stake. We are plunging into the digital lab, the high-pressure environment where elite assets are synthesized from pure logic. Ignore the get-rich-quick noise and the shallow hype. We are tapping directly into the main line of power. Remix ID. If you are finally ready to engineer a high-utility asset capable of driving $5,000 in daily volume, stop stalling and ping me on Telegram immediately. This is the boundary where the tourists turn back and the founders take command. The Hub, your portal to the inner circle. We build on remix.ethereum.org. This isn't a mere website. It's the industry's premier web-based control center for top-tier blockchain engineers across the globe. With zero installation required, your excuses have officially expired. This is the swiftest, most optimized route to broadcasting your asset to the global markets. If you're ready to transition from a passive buyer to a dominant founder, connect with me on Telegram, and let's launch your vision into the stratosphere. Phase 1. Activating the terminal. Look at the interface before you. This is your personal development sanctuary. On the left navigation bar, find the File Explorer. Hit that new file icon and title it Mydekin.sol. Expert advice. If you're chasing a battle-hardened launch roadmap designed for seven-figure success, don't leave it to chance. Reach out on Telegram today. That .sol suffix is your credential. It tells the network you're utilizing Solidity, the primary language of the Ethereum virtual machine, EVM. This script is the bedrock of the entire decentralized economy. For a verified ironclad contract that secures your liquidity and shields your capital from bad actors, message me for a bespoke professional build. Phase 2. Coding the token's blueprint. Now, we script the fundamental properties of your currency. Every smart contract acts as a digital law, a set of immutable protocols. To dominate the rankings, your asset requires 4 critical cornerstones. First, the name, the brand identity that defines your project's legacy. Ready to fire your boss? If you want to deploy a token that generates a steady $5,000 day profit, DM me on Telegram for the insider roadmap. Next is the symbol, your ticker, the 3 or 4 letter tag like Wolver or gold. Then comes the total supply, the mechanism that dictates the rarity and market value of your coin. Finally, we set the decimals to 18 to align with global standards, to secure a professional tokenomics strategy that targets whales and institutional players. Hit me up right now. Remember, once this code is deployed, it is engraved in stone. Running a project on copy-paste scripts is a fast track to failure. Get a secure, optimized framework by contacting me directly. Phase 3. The compilation sequence. Once your logic is finalized, we must convert your vision into machine-executable code. Head over to the Solidity compiler section, marked by the S icon on your sidebar. Done with the steep learning curve. If you want to bypass the technical hurdles and go live by tomorrow, message me on Telegram for a full-service, done-for-you setup. Verify that your compiler version aligns perfectly with your code header. This is the primary error that stops most beginners in their tracks. When you're set, click the blue Compile button. Once that green validation mark appears, your token is officially active in the environment. For private coaching on high-level deployment, you know where to find me. Phase 4. Broadcasting to the global chain. This is the definitive moment. Navigate to the Deploy and Run Transactions window. Under the Environment menu, select Injected Provider to sync Remix with your MetaMask wallet. This is where your concept turns into a liquid asset. You'll need a fraction of gas, the native fuel, ETH, BNB, or Matic, required to etch your token into blockchain history. Review your supply metrics one last time. If you're feeling hesitant about the execution, contact me on Telegram for a supervised launch. Once you click Deploy and authorize the wallet prompt, your token is officially live. It is public, tradable, and permanent. To learn how to market this project to thousands of hungry traders, message me now. Phase 5, Securing Your Kingdom. Once the transaction is verified, check the bottom of the interface under Deployed Contracts. Copy that contract address. This is your asset's fingerprint, its unique signature on the ledger. If you want to develop a full DeFi ecosystem, staking, rewards, or NFTs around this contract, let's talk. Reach out on Telegram. Open your MetaMask, go to the Tokens tab, hit Import, and paste your address. Watch your name and balance populate instantly. You are now holding your own minted wealth. To convert that balance into tangible daily profit, you need an elite strategy. Reach out now. The road to absolute dominance. Well done. You have officially evolved. You are no longer just a crypto holder. You are a token architect. But stay grounded. A coin without a community is just dormant code. True, legendary success demands deep liquidity, surgical marketing, and a high-impact launch plan. If you're serious about hitting that $5,000 day benchmark, stop guessing. I help founders scale from zero to millions by engineering high-security, high-impact protocols. For a custom build that climbs the charts, contact me via the Telegram link in the description. Execute, build the future, rule the ledger. Like this video, subscribe to the Wolver channel, and post your project concepts in the comments below. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one. Let's build.